Alrighty, so here we are. It's Maddie's birthday today, and he is paying tribute to our beautiful country, Canada, by the flag that is around his back. He's our own personal superhero.
I draped it on his chair, but then he draped it on his shoulders.
Mr. Canada.
And Dominique made beautiful
Oh yeah.
And Drew Matt
Look,
as a baby.
this is Matt as a baby. He's cute, eh?
That's actually exactly what he looked like.
That's exactly what he looked like.
Came out that size and everything.
And we have
Jesse's wearing sunglasses inside.
And I was born in black and white.
Just for the video.
our friends from Madagascar. They're here to celebrate. This is, wait.
Oh, we watched a documentary on penguins yesterday for some reason.
Back
Wait,
they
wait.
can actually fly.
Here we go.
Matt, would you like to say something?
Do we know which one's which?
This is funny. You were like,
No? Kelsey?
I don't know. Thank you.
There's Crunchy Corner milk chocolate digestive yogurt.
They're actually really good.
Kelsey,
They sound
I
gross.
especially got you the milk chocolate one.
Maddie, would you like to say something?
Yeah, no, there was another weird one.
I want to say something.
You live a zoo.
You look like a monkey.
And you act like one.
Okay,
What a lucky guess.
this is the party size party tube of Pringles.
See, it's
And we got mac cheesecake.
Too bad we don't have
and
cheese
we got
poopers.
Toblerone cheesecake.
That was
Call
my
them-
favorite when
Because that's exciting.
give you those.
Call them
Okay.
party cheese poopers.
Jesse's gonna say closing comments because he really likes these
I'm
sunglasses.
just gonna reiterate. Okay.
Wow.
I was saying it's too bad we don't have cheese poopers because we could have party cheese poopers.
And we have shortbread.
The end.